Hi there, and thanks for joining us. If you think moving heavy objects around a factory is all about forklifts, conveyors, and overhead cranes, then it's time to take a look at the next generation of manufacturing machinery. Imagine a world where factories move heavy products and materials automatically with ease and precision. Automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, are making this a reality. These high-tech machines can transport anything from food products to rail cars. And right now they're transforming the manufacturing landscape. So what are the biggest benefits? First up, improved efficiency. AGVs provide fully automatic solutions to move a wide range of heavy items, ensuring continuous on-site movement, no human errors, and streamlined operations 24 hours a day. Safety is another game changer. These automated systems include advanced features that eliminate risks to human operators and meet stringent safety standards. But it doesn't stop there. AGVs boast incredible precision. Using advanced navigation methods like simultaneous localization and mapping, and light detection and ranging sensors to scan and measure with pinpoint precision. And there's other navigation options too, like magnetic tape in the floor, laser guidance, and GPS for when the vehicles need to venture outdoors. And let's talk maneuverability. With steering modes like crab steering and carousel movement, AGVs can change direction in incredibly tight spaces and complex environments. From steel processing to aerospace, shipbuilding, food production, and more, AGVs are revolutionizing many industries by making heavy lifting smarter, safer, and more efficient. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.